Hey there, okay. I'm going to walk you through and show you how I install apps to my Android TV. Now the first thing to understand is installing apps on your Android TV is different within Kodi than it is into your dashboard area. It's like two different areas. Kodi is an app essentially, but a super mega app. I do have, however, a whole bunch of other apps. Now another first thing that I want to allude to is that my dashboard, this whole area here will look different. I have a pretty advanced setup for my Android TV, or maybe more of a current dashboard setup, like Windows XP versus Windows 10. I've got the Windows 10 version looking stuff to give an analogy or a reference. So here's my apps that I have loaded outside of Kodi. So I have Cartoon HD, I have Facebook, Easy File Explorer, of course Kodi shows again there, Movie HD, Play Store, Showbox, all of these things and more. Now here's SPMC, which is another Kodi-based shell, right? You can make Kodi and develop your own Kodis and the kind of apps that are in it and share. I just installed this one today, Playbox HD, which is another one. But essentially, you go into anything. Here you go in, and there's Movie HD. It loads pretty fast. Show the most updated things. Tons and tons of movies. You can just movies for miles. I'm gonna go back out of here. So that's the premise that I want you to understand right away. Now, a major thing that you have to do is always go into your Play Store, and you have to associate a Gmail address to your Kodi box. Now that makes everything run better. So you go in here and set up. Now I've associated mine with my my main account, which is through, it's like a Gmail, but I'm sorry for confusing you. Just associate your Google Play Store with a Gmail account. That'll be the best thing that you can do. And then your Showbox and your Cartoon HD will update based on this. Now, another thing is I've installed Easy File Explorer. Now, Easy File Explorer is an amazing app add-on that makes browsing your system so much easier. Whenever you download something, it goes into like a downloads folder. And so I've downloaded the Showbox APK here, and that's how I installed it. This morning I installed Playbox HD 2.02 APK. There's other ones that I've installed from Movie HD, and I got them online. So let me show you. I click down here. Let's go outside of here and go into my browser, and I'll show you something. So in the browser, I've done a search. Okay, I searched for Play Download APK, and then I went and clicked the first link there, went in, and they have way down here. Now don't install this one because I found that this is like an app for your phone. But you don't install. But essentially, when you go and search online, you'll see something like this, and you'll find a mirrors or things like that. But you grab the APK. So let's say I went for Movie HD, right? Let's be even more specific because I want to make sure that you get the right one, APK. Because that's what you want. There it is, the latest and greatest movie, July 8th, 2015. Might be pretty current. Yeah. So you go down. It's usually way down. Download the link. There's the APK. So when you click it, watch what happens. Since I have Easy Downloader on my system, it shows right here, right? Or you can download with the browser. So it's downloading. So now I'm going to open the folder to show you Movie HD in brackets 2. You could just open it and run it, but I want to show you open it. Now, Movie HD is right up here, and it is an APK. See, you can see the beautiful yellow icon. Now, sometimes you get ones like this APK. The first one that I downloaded with Easy Downloader turned into a weird Android thing. And whenever you try to run these, okay, it says there's a problem. These don't run, the ones that look like the Android little guy. You need to see the icons on the APKs, and those are the clean ones that install properly. Okay, so you need to know that, because as soon as you go to click it, you double click it, it'll install. Now, where does it go? Well, once you install it, they will show up in here after. Boom, there it is. And that's primarily what you want to do, but you also want to make sure if there's conflicts with your apps, you want to go into your more settings, go into apps, and always make sure there's not two of them. You shouldn't have Cartoon HD, two of them. But if you go in, you can find out what's the latest version. That's always a good thing to do. But you go through here, and if there's any duplicates, get rid of the old one. And that's primarily it. That's the 101s for installing and finding apps online. And then you can start playing around on Facebook pages, you know, or groups, Android groups, and they'll share with you all these apps and APKs that you can download. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got a lot out of it to learn how to install apps on your Android TV device.